This ultralight folding beach chair feels impressively solid for its weight, thanks to a square frame and aerospace-grade aluminum that keep it steady on uneven ground. The wide seat and mid-height profile, combined with a supportive backrest and webbing, make it comfortable enough to sit in for long stretches without fatigue. Large removable feet spread your weight so the chair does not bury itself in sand or soft soil, which is a big advantage on real beaches and muddy campsites. Despite its sturdy build and high weight capacity, the chair packs down into a compact bundle with a carry bag that fits easily into a backpack or motorcycle pannier. The breathable mesh back, deep seat, drink holder, and side pocket give it the small usability touches that make a difference during hot days by the water or around camp. Reinforced stress points, corrosion-resistant materials, and a manufacturer-backed lifetime defect warranty suggest this chair is built to handle years of regular outdoor use.